Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by backing up your PowerPoint files and any custom templates. This prevents data loss. Once done, sign into or create a Microsoft account and have a payment method ready for Microsoft 365 or a one-time Office 2021 purchase. Make sure your PC meets system requirements. Modern Office needs more RAM and disk space than 2007, so free up at least 20 gigabytes if needed. These steps let you proceed straight into downloading the official installer without interruption. Now install the latest Office suite from your Microsoft account. Download the installer linked to your subscription or purchase. Run it as administrator so permissions don't block file moves. Choose a custom install if you only want PowerPoint to save space. The installer migrates core components and registers Office for updates. Once the installation finishes, sign into the same Microsoft account so your license activates and OneDrive integration appears. Make sure automatic updates are enabled to receive security and feature releases going forward. Finish by opening your backed-up presentations in the new PowerPoint and save them as modern PPTX files when prompted. This preserves formatting and enables new features. Once everything opens correctly, uninstall Office 2007 to avoid conflicts, but retain backups until you're confident. If something goes wrong, run the Office Repair tool from Control Panel or the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant to fix activation or installation errors. If repair fails, rerun the installer as administrator and repeat activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.